Click on create a new project. I will name my project as Project Tech Billing System, and I do not want to create default main class, so I will uncheck this box and click finish. Here's our project. Now in source package we will create a new package called code package. In this package we will put all the classes and JFrames, and further we'll create a resource package also when it is required. Now we'll create a main class. Now public static void main. Now I will like to create a function which will be used to call our splash screen. Now calling this splash screen function, I have to make an object of this class, main class. Now I can call this splash screen function. Now we will create JFrame with name splash screen. Here's our JFrame. Now I want, when we execute this program, I want my JFrame to come in the center of the screen. So from properties, now code, and we will check the box center. Now we will create a object of slash screen class in this function. Now we will set this object as visible true. So now we will run this code and see what we got. This is my main class. Oh, this is our JFrame and splash screen. Now I do not want this cross minimize button, so we'll remove this from properties and we will check the undecorated box. We got, see, the cross button and minimize button has been removed. Now we'll put a panel. Not J label. second j level. Now we will put a progress bar. Now after progress bar, to show percentage in the progress, we will put a label in which we will show the percentage of progress. For my ease, I will rename this label variable name, and to access this variable from my main class, we have to make this variable protect. If this variable will be private, we will not be able to access variable, use this variable from the main class. This will happen also with the progress bar. So our splash screen JFrame is ready. Now we have to make some adjustments in my main class. So we'll create a try catch block. Now in try block, we will make a loop, for loop from 0 to 100. Now we will set the value of progress label, progress bar label, or progress label, in which we have set default value 0% on the basis of I, or any variable which you have mentioned for controlling of the loop, and then concatenate percentage symbol as string. And we also have to, I have used this integer dot to string to change the data type. Now I will set the value of progress bar. I am using this thread dot sleep so that there will be a little bit delay in the progress. Now to handle the exception, if there is an error or exception, we will set the value of progress bar or percentage level as not working. Now running this class we get okay. Now I will dispose the object so that it will end automatically. Now we'll create a billing system class, the main component of the billing system. From will be making calls, or the customer side will interact the software. Here also I will make the GUI or billing class to be in center, so you can do the same thing. Now I will create a function in which we will make the object that class, and then from here we will call that class. Now we create the object and set visible, so that the screen splash screen object get disposed, and after that our billing GUI comes. Now we'll set resize and on center. Now execute the code and I have executed the code, but at the same time object was disposed and I was not calling the GUI class. I made the function, but I'm not calling that function from the main class. Here is our JFrame and splash screen. So the splash screen was for a little bit of time, so we will take care of that. By creating a thread dot sleep for 200 milliseconds. Okay, showing an error. Okay. This thread of sleep should be in try catch block. Now it's okay. We will execute the code and what we get, okay, splash screen and GUI. Solve